There's one question I get asked time and time again as a seasoned massage therapist, and that question is, how often should I get a massage? You've probably wondered if there's an optimal frequency for a massage to boost your performance, prevent injuries, and enhance your overall wellness. I'm going to reveal that secret to you, and let's get right into it, shall we? Now, the frequency of your massage sessions that you need depends on what you're aiming to achieve. Are you looking for a regular muscular tune-up? Or maybe you need massage therapy for pain management, injury recovery, or a complement to your physical therapy routine? Once we identify your specific needs, we can figure out the perfect massage schedule for you. Because over the years, I've developed a system that divides these needs into three primary categories, which are recovery, repair, and maintenance. So now let's break them down. First up is recovery body work for athletes. When we talk about recovery massages, these revolve around your training schedule. These sessions are particularly beneficial after a major event like a marathon or sports competition. The primary goal is to speed up your recovery time and get you back in the game as quickly as possible. Now, this isn't your typical full body massage. It's specifically targeted at the muscles that you've just pushed to their limits during your event. One of the main reasons to do this is to minimize your recovery time and get you back in the game sooner. The massage would be focused on the muscles you just used for competition rather than getting a full body massage. Massage therapy for athletic recovery does not need to be done frequently. Instead, it should be scheduled around your training schedule. I advise booking a massage session after engaging in a physically demanding activity. It should be done within the same day or within 2 days as a rule. 3 days you can get away with, but try to keep it within that 1 to 2 days after the event. Massage therapy to repair yourself is key because everyone's going to get injured at some point in their lives. And that's when massage therapy swoops in like a superhero, aiding on your journey to a full recovery. Think of it as your body's best friend when you're attending physical therapy because they work hand in hand as they help tackle specific issues and goals for a faster and smoother recovery process. Isn't that amazing? But wait, there's more. This form of massage therapy is a triple threat of healing as it works to reduce scar tissue, realign your body's fascia, and that's the connective tissue around your muscles and organs, and it kicks those stubborn muscle knots and trigger points to the curb. Now that's a combo punch. The key to victory, though, is to be consistent. To really make strides in your recovery, you've got to dedicate yourself to this routine. Aim for 1 to 2 sessions per week for around 6 to 10 weeks to do the trick. Keep in mind, though, that this isn't the time frame that is set in stone. Instead, it's going to depend on how severe your injury is. If you're undergoing physical therapy, I recommend having your massage session after your physical therapy appointment because it's a 1-2 that could really speed up your healing process significantly. So are you ready to conquer those injuries? Let's get on the healing journey together. If you're enjoying what you're seeing so far, make sure you give me a like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Now let's shift gears and talk about chronic muscle pain. Because if you ever experienced chronic muscle pain, you know it's like that annoying party guest that just won't leave. And you know what's best to do in these situations? Therapeutic hands-on work. And by that, I mean frequent massages over a short period of time to help improve your pain threshold by reducing your pain. Because believe it or not, regular massages for just 3 to 6 weeks can reduce your overall pain levels. And this just isn't hearsay. A recent Harvard study showed that therapeutic massage twice a week for 4 weeks noticeably reduced chronic neck pain and back pain. Now that's some scientific pain relief for you. But what do you do when your baseline improves? You just stop? Absolutely not. Once you start to feel better, it's time to switch gears to a maintenance massage schedule. The focus is now on keeping those chronic pain symptoms at bay. This strategy is designed to tackle muscular imbalances, boost circulation, and promote proper relaxation. The result? Immediate long-term relief from chronic pains. With this approach, you'll be on your way to saying adios to that unwelcome party guest for good. Might show up every so often, but you know what to do when they come back. Kick them out with massage therapy. Maintenance massage. This is the ultimate goal, the finish line everyone strives for on their health journey. Some call it the tune-up stage, and it's all about keeping your health in top-notch condition and steering clear of those long-term issues. Here's a scoop. Regardless of how active you are, over time your muscles can tighten up, knots can form, and this can lead to dysfunction and injury. But there is good news. Regular maintenance massages can help prevent these issues, and they're beneficial for everyone, no matter your age or physical condition. But let's get real. Your lifestyle plays a big role in determining the frequency of those tune-ups. For instance, if you're between the ages of 26 to 55, the rules I'm about to share apply mostly to you. For those under 25, you might need massages less often, while those over 55 are going to need a higher frequency of tune-ups. So here's a general rule of thumb. If you're an adult who doesn't exercise often or only engages in moderate exercise, you should aim for a tune-up massage session about every 6 weeks, give or take 2 weeks. Now, for all you hardworking folks out there with physically demanding jobs or intense athletic pursuits, the game changes a bit. I'd recommend a massage every 2 to 4 weeks to prevent injury and enhance outcome. And for our full-time professional athletes out there, you should seriously consider getting a massage once a week to keep you performing at your peak. But hey, remember, everyone is unique. Always consider your personal situation when determining your best massage schedule for you. Stay healthy and keep your muscles happy. Now, let's wrap this up by helping you figure out your ideal massage treatment schedule, because understanding the right frequency of massages that's tailored to your unique needs is the key to maintaining optimal health and well-being. With the perfect massage schedule, you're one step closer to a healthier and pain-free life. This could be as simple as regular maintenance massages, or maybe a combination of massage therapy with other treatments. The secret sauce is in the mix that is right for you. And hey, if you're in the New York City area and you need to book a massage, I've got the perfect solution for you. Jump over to the website, EliteHealersSportsMassage.com, because it's simple, convenient, and we'll get you scheduled in no time. But remember, always consult with a professional massage therapist for the best course of action tailored to your specific needs. Regular massages can help maintain a balanced and stress-free lifestyle optimized to your muscular health. All right. So now if you're hungry for more specific information on massage issues, click right here. And if you're all set on that, you want something else, I got another great video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.